for Excel Unit 3, What If Analysis, Charting, and Working with Large Worksheets. While you guys are opening up a new blank workbook, I'm going to go ahead and go over the objectives. I'm not going to go into as much detail as I have done in the past just because we're short on time for quarter 3, but I want to go ahead and let you know what we're going to be covering. We're going to rotate text in a cell, create a series of month names, copy, paste, insert, and delete cells, format numbers using the format symbol, freeze and unfreeze rows and columns, show and format the system date, use absolute and mixed cell references in a formula, use the if function to perform a logical test, so this will definitely be a new one, create sparkline charts, use the format painter button to format cells, create a 3D pie chart on a separate chart sheet, rearrange worksheet tabs, change the worksheet view, answer what if questions, and goal to seek answer what if questions. So a lot of this is going to be new, and hopefully we can just get through this with the practice exercise. So a lot of the workbooks that we've done so far have been smaller workbooks, but when you're out in the real world and you're going to create an Excel spreadsheet workbook, either for school or for your job, they're going to be a lot bigger. So we're going to deal with a bigger type now. So I want you to go ahead and click on A8, which normally we start in A1, but we're going to start a little different here, and we're going to type in Modern Music Shops. We're going to enter down, and then we're going to type in 6-month financial projections. Then I want to go ahead and change the theme, and the theme I want to change to is Plaza. Remember, and that changes our fonts and colors and everything. Next, what I want to do is go ahead and type in B10, and I'm going to type the word July. Then what I want you to do is we're going to actually use our fill handle to copy a series of month names, but we're also going to rotate the text, which this will be new. So if we go ahead and right click on July, and then we're going to go to Format Cells, we've got our Format Cells box that pops up. We want to go ahead and pick the 45 degrees. You can either type it in down here or click the 45-degree button. Click OK, and you'll see that it changes our font and the way it's angled. So we're going to go ahead and use our fill handle. Remember, fill handle is going to copy this over in a series, and it's going to change to the black cross, and we're going to go all the way over to column G, and notice that it automatically puts in the months in the order that they go. So now what we want to go ahead and do is go to H10. We want to type in total, and then we're going to arrow over the right, and we're going to type in charts. And notice that when we do that, it automatically formats those to match the way we have a B10 through G10 formatted, which we want to keep that. So now we're going to go ahead and increase column widths. We know how to do this. We want to go ahead and increase that to 36. So we're going to move that over here until it gets to 36. Then we want to make B through G the same width. So we highlight those, and we know the shortcut to do that. And we want to change those to 14.86. So we've got those there. Next, what we want to go ahead and do is type in our row headings. So we're going to start in A11, and we're going to type in revenue, then cost of goods sold, then we're going to do gross margin. We're going to enter twice, so you should be in A15, and we're going to do expenses, bonus, oops, 2 M's, commission, marketing, research and development, support, comma, general, and administrative, total expenses, and then enter down to A23 and do operating expenses. Oops, can't spell here. Okay, next we want to go ahead and copy cells to non-adjacent areas, and we want to do that by, and remember, non-adjacent means here we did the fill handle, they're adjacent. They go up and down, they're right next to each other, or they go across right next to each other. Here we want to copy A16 through A20, so we're going to highlight those, and you're going to hit copy. So I like to use the shortcut, so Command C, or you can come up here and do edit, copy. It's however you want to do it. We're going to come up here and we're going to paste those into A2, so Command V for the shortcut, or you can go ahead and do edit, paste.